We find the defendant guilty of child abuse recklessly caused or recklessly permitted resulting in death. Child under 12 is charged in the second included offense of count 2.
And verdict is in. Stephen Casaus is guilty of child abuse with reckless disregard resulting in death. Jurors also found him guilty of 4 other charges.
Target 7's Nancy Laughlin spoke with attorneys on both sides moments after that verdict was read. She is live from district court with more. Nancy.
Well, Royal and Todd, a jury had a whole lot of charges against Stephen Casaus to consider. They do not believe that he beat Omari Varela to death, but they do think he waited way too long to get that child's help. Now, Casaus showed little emotion in the courtroom as the very long verdict was read. The most serious charge he was convicted of is waiting perhaps up to 4 hours before calling 911 while 9-year-old Omari Varela bled to death internally. The jury also found him guilty of burning Omari with a cigarette and found him guilty of tampering with evidence by putting Omari in the shower, washing blood off the child. He was also convicted of 2 counts of intimidation of a witness when he told Omari's little brother and sister not to say anything to authorities. Attorneys on both sides tell us they think the jury did the right thing today.
Partial relief. We think the jury did the right thing as far as finding that Steve Casaus did not actually lay his hands on that child. And the jury seemed to focus on the right issues, which was the medical neglect.
I'm happy that the jury came back with this verdict. He's going to be facing a significant amount of time. This count that they convicted him of was our strongest count. And so it's not surprising that this is the count that the jury came back with.
So Stephen Casaus is looking at up to 30 years behind bars. It all depends on how the judge decides to stack this. That is in addition to the 9 years he was recently sentenced to in another case, a drug case, and he also has a federal case of a felon in possession of a firearm. So he is not getting out of jail or prison anytime soon. Sentencing for Casaus, in this case, the abuse of Omari, is set for November 10th. Live downtown, I'm Nancy Laughlin. Back to you.